Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jaina and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. I have something very important to share with you. I recently found crochet kits that are now available at Walmart across Canada. These kits are made in China and come in a variety of cute and colorful designs. I picked up every model they had available, and yes, all of them, because I wanted to share these with you. Now, they don't just have crochet kits. Like you can see, they do have macrame and punch needle kits. These are the example that I purchased. If you're interested in those, please go visit your local Walmart because they have other models that could interest you. But for this video today, I'm going to show you the crochet kits that I purchased. So there's two kinds. There are the big ones, like this, and also we do have the smaller kits. The larger kits are $9.97, and these smaller kits are $4.97. So let's start with the bigger kits and then I'll show you the smaller ones. So this one is a cactus. It does tell you the skill level, very interesting, and the finished size. And you should have all of the available material. So this is my first one, a cactus. Then there's the very nice, this chick or young chicken. We have this nice, I think it's a whale, but there's a little horn. So if this is not a whale, let me know. Also, at the end of the video, let me know which one you would like to see me do. Which one would interest you for me to make a video on. A fox, a penguin. Those I've made before. I'm very interested to see if it's the same type of pattern to make this or they're doing it a little bit differently, but we'll take a look at that together. We've got our dinosaur and a rabbit that's like an egg. So these are all of the bigger size. Like I said, if you want to see one of them first, leave a comment and I will do that video next. So let's place this aside and we'll look at the smaller kits. The first one, we have a lemon. And all of the kits that I just showed you, they're all intermediate level. So there's no easy level and there's no advanced. These are all intermediate. Intermediate with all of the material. Cherries, those are cute. And those are the size of a keychain, if you'd like to know. And it does come with the keychain. So these are size keychain. And then you've got your mushroom. Your peas in a pod. This is I like this. This is very interesting. And you have your corn on the cob, or your corn. Again, keychain, and it should come with all of the material. And also you have your strawberry. Intermediate, and you should have all of the material. So just a quick note about this future video. These will not be full step-by-step tutorials. Instead, I'll be reviewing each one at a time, one video at a time, and I'm going to give you an honest review. I've been reviewing these kits. It doesn't matter if they come from Dollarama, from Walmart. We will look at what's included in each, the material, if we have enough material. We're going to look at the crochet hook, if it's a good one. If the pattern is easy to understand and if there's any errors or mistake, if there is, I will share how to fix it. So if you enjoy crafts, crochet, and honest kit reviews, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. We're going to have lots of fun reviewing these together. Thank you so much for watching and have yourself a great day.